Fantastic.
Morning lows will be even cooler than that, and our daytime highs will be in the 70s by this weekend. Today it wasn't bad. We were pressing 90 degrees in the upper 80s, 76 our current temperature. Dew points have not been bad. They did come down yesterday, and winds starting to settle a little bit. Had a bit of a breeze during the day today and will again for the day tomorrow. 69 right now at Slidell. Bogalusa is at 68 degrees. Still 70s to 80 degrees at Lakefront Airport. But with the dry air in place, dew points 50s, 60s, and lower 70s, our temperatures will continue to fall during the overnight period. What we're watching, though, on the long term is an upper trough that is developing out over the Pacific Northwest and really already deepening across the Rockies. This upper troughing is going to move east, and really what's going to then happen is a secondary surge will come in and really push this trough farther south. This is the pattern we have been waiting for. This is what will bring down the fall-like temperatures for the weekend, and the good news is this pattern kind of holds as we head into early next week. By the middle of the week, the upper low starts to lift. We'll still have a northwesterly flow, but it also looks like this will keep our temperatures below average. And the temperature outlook going into the next 6 to 10 days is likely our temperatures to stay below normal. Our normal highs continue to drop. Today it's 85 degrees. They'll continue to fall in the coming days, and it does look like our temperatures will stay below that. In fact, starting on Saturday, highs only in the upper 70s, maybe getting back into the lower 80s into early mid next week, but that is still below the normal. Our morning lows will also be dropping as well. Next couple of mornings, don't expect any changes, 60s and 70s as we get the morning started, going right up to Saturday morning. During the day, Saturday is when the driest of the air arrives, and with that drop in humidity even more dramatically, that will allow our Sunday morning temperatures to fall into the 50s and mid 60s. Dare I say there will be a chill to the air as we get the morning started on Sunday. Now, as far as this being a strong cold front, it is not going to bring in a great deal of rainfall, and we do desperately need the rain. We've been mentioning we're now entering one of the driest months of the year. In fact, the two driest months of the year is October and November. Our rain chances with this front slim. And what would we see in terms of accumulation? The light green colors, that's basically a tenth of an inch, 100th of an inch to a 10th of an inch, maybe some isolated spots a little more than that. We are not talking much rainfall at all. What we are talking, though, about is a big drop in temperature and humidity and really good feel air. Next couple of days, humidity not terrible, but it is going to be a little bit higher than it will be this weekend. Once this front moves on through, we get a surge of dry air and kind of a reinforcing secondary and even less humid air mass that settles in for Saturday night and going into Sunday, and it's dew points like this on Sunday morning that will allow those temperatures to get into the 50s and 60s, maybe even some upper 40s. Philippe, the storm that just would not die, the latest of it is that it is going to be moving northward, has been fairly stationary for the last several days with a lot of change in the model guidance as to what would happen to it in the future. Thankfully, the impacts to the islands have been minimal, and it does look like it'll stay east of Bermuda. Elsewhere in the tropics, nothing. 88 degrees our high for the next couple of days, and our big changes arrive for the weekend.